Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to dynamically enable and disable Message Composer on Messenger in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. On Messenger in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This feature allows you to block the Message Composer in situation when you don't want users to type in any text. There you have it. You just learned how to dynamically disable and enable Message Composer on Messenger in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.